Hello one and all, my name is Francis and today I'm going to show to you my brand new microcontroller based dispensing machine. This project is intended to dispense or to sell different types of detergents such as chlorine, softener, degreaser, etc. But for the purposes of this video, I program it in such a way that it sells beverages, alright? So it is based on the PIC16F887 microcontroller. It has two 74595 chips to control up to 16 outputs. Okay, each output represents one beverage. That's why I have 10 LEDs and 12 buttons. I have one button for each LED or each output. Okay, I also have this LCD screen which can represent up to 20 by up to 16 by 2 characters. And well, in the real case, I'm not going to use these micro push buttons. I'm going to use these arcade buttons, which are better and they look more professional. And I'm not going to use LEDs. Obviously, I'm going to use these relay modules, which are very cheap. And well, I'm going to connect 12-volt pumps to this to each output. All right. So I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. All right, as you can see, it has a green message. Welcome to my shop. All right, so I'm gonna select a beverage, for example, a lemon or lemonade in this case. Thanks for buying. Grape selected. It turns the second LED on. Orange juice. Third LED is on and off. Okay, and well, you can program the names of the beverage using the memory program. The program memory, and well, it's very simple. And just a little consideration: do not use very long names because this microcontroller doesn't have a lot of memory, so just keep that in mind. And well, for example, I'm gonna choose this one, water. Okay, and let's see what's here. Pancho Cola. Well, it's my own soda. All right. So now I'm going to enter admin mode with this button, which should, in the real case, be hidden from the user interface. All right. So now I have entered this admin mode, and I can see different settings here. For example, have the change prices setting. The prices can be changed and they are stored in the EEPROM memory. So that means that even if you turn off the device, they will still be stored in the microcontroller. All right. So for example, I'm gonna choose lemonade. All right. So it asks me to enter the price as a three-digit number, and the maximum price is 255. So I'm gonna type in maybe 20 pesos in my case. So now lemon costs 20 pesos. So I'm gonna choose that setting again. And now I want to change the price of this, of whiskey. Okay, so now each unit of whiskey will cost, well, in this case, let's see, 199. All right. So whiskey costs 199 pesos. Now I'm gonna change the price of this, of soda. So what happens if I want to type in something like 999? Well, it says error maximum is 255. So as you can see here, it catches the errors very well. All right. So now, well, I'm gonna skip the menu. All right, with the X button. I'm gonna check the sales report. In this case, I can check the sales report for lemon. Okay, I have only sold only two lemonades. For grapes, only two grape juice units. For orange, only two. And what about water? Okay, only one. So well, I can escape this menu. I can go to the net setting, which in this case is reset sales report. In this case, with this setting, I can reset all the stored sales from the EEPROM. All right. So I have 1 byte for each product in the EEPROM. All right. So now let me go to total sales setting, which will calculate the total income of this machine. So as you can see here, it is $0 because I have just reset the sales report. All right. So I'm gonna exit the menu. All right. And exit the menu, and I am going to select lemonade. Remember that it costs 20 pesos, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I'm gonna enter the admin mode, and let me go to total sales. Okay, 20 pesos. If, for example, I want to, well, I'm going to exit admin mode. Okay, and now I'm going to to select Pancho Cola. Okay, it is dispensing Pancho Cola. I'm going to re-enter admin mode, and then I'm going to check the the total sales, and it is 199, right? Because remember that Pancho Cola costs 99 pesos. All right. So now I have another feature here, which is product availability. Okay, in this case, that we run out from any beverage. So I'm gonna choose maybe this one, soda. So it says enable soda. X for no, Y for yes. I'm gonna disable soda. All right. So well, I'm gonna exit this menu, and then when I try to select soda, it displays this product not available. All right, so it does not let me choose soda, but the rest of the products are available. All right, and well, the availability of each product is stored in the EEPROM memory, and well, as you can see, it is very functional. It is just a prototype so far, but it has all the settings needed for a real life dispensing machine. And well, that's it for this video, and please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.